ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पदैक वाक्यता एंड वाक्यिक वाक्यता. There is some confusion in this. What is पदैक वाक्यता?
अर्थवाद समूह एकत्व.
अर्थवाद वाक्यानां समूह. Whenever there is अर्थवाद वाक्य, it is set of mantras or set of padas. All those set of padas, vakyas, they all will translate in one pada. Then that one pada will have ekavakyata with the vidhi vakya. Vidhina to ekavakyatvat. So that pada will have vidhina ekavakyatvam. What it will be called? Padaikavakyatvam. When there are vakyas and other vakyas, but between them there is angi anga sambandha. So vakyanam ekavakyata. All those vakya will become one with this vakya, and all vakyas put together will be considered one vakya. One vakya means one vidhi vakya. दर्शपूर्णमासाभ्याम स्वर्गकामो यजेत ईड़ा यजति तनुनुपातम यजति समिधा यजति समिधो यजति. All of that is one vakya, one vidhi. Angi has phalam. Anga doesn't have phalam. When anga doesn't have separate phalam, what is the vakya which associates angi and anga together? No.
आम्नायस्य क्रियार्थत्वात् आनर्थ.
No. फल सन्निधावफलम तदंगम. फल सन्निधौ aphalam tadangam. These are important concepts in Mimamsa. Phala sannidha va phalam tadangam. In the sannidhi of phalavakya, darshapurna masa bhyam swarga kamo yajeta. Ida will not give you swarga. Samidha yaga will not give you swarga. They are anga of mukhya, so they don't have phalam. Phala sannidhau, in the sannidhi of phala, aphala vakya, ida, samidha, samidho yajati, all of them, they will become anga of this angi which has phalam. Phala sannidhava phalam tadangam. I think that is the exact sentence. We have seen this in Brahadaranyaka. So there all of that will become one vakya. They have eka vakyata, eka vidhi vakyata, and it will have only one phalam. Like if I break a branch of a tree, there is no separate phalam for that. If I do prokshanam of vrihi, vrihin prokshati, vrihi prokshanam doesn't have phalam by itself. So it will become anga of something else. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, see, there is one correction on page 130, last line, which we were seeing. Vishesha darshanena. Brahma virodhi, not avyapaka. Yesterday I read avyapaka. Actually, it is adhyapaka. Adhyapaka nishtha avyutpatti jnanena. Vishesha darshanam means this. That the adhyapaka means the teacher, whoever is, Tannishtha avyutpatti. He does not have clear knowledge. This is the Vishesha Darshan. He is avyutpanna and it is Brahma Virodhi. Means it is not Brahma. It is a real Jnana. Brahma. Brahma Virodhi Adhyapaka Nishtha Avyutpatti Jnanena Vishesha Darshanena. Tatra Tatparya Brahmasya api abhavat. So it is not Tatparya Brahma. Some acharyas, they translate this ayam adhyapako avyutpanna as somebody who does not teach in Sanskrit. This is also there. Non-Sanskrit teaching is avyutpanna, it is considered. Sometimes, not, but it will not fit in here. Why it will not fit in here? Can you think and tell me?
Because both Tatparya Jnanam as well as Vaktum Ichha, both the desire to teach as well as the ability, both are there.
Desire to teach and
Tatparya, that is the definition is fulfilled.
Tatparya is what?
Vaktur Ichha. So since
Yeah.
Tatparya,
So Tatparya, what will happen? Tatparya is what? I can hear properly.
Tatparya is there. So
Tatparya is there. So in any language, like right now I am teaching in some other language other than Sanskrit, let us say. Shabda Bodha is taking place. Jnanam is taking place. So sometimes when they say this, what is meant is the original scripture if it is non-Sanskrit. But that also in Laukika Bhasha, people when they transact, Shabda Bodha takes place, person understands. You call auto, you tell him where to go. The Shabda Bodha takes place, he takes you to your destination. And other than Sanskrit, all other bhashas will become Mlecha Bhasha, Hindi included. So we don't have to translate that way. But you may find such reading. So I am just telling you. Okay, further. Nanu, mastu tat. तात्पर्य ज्ञानादेव वाक्यार्थे ईश्वरीय तात्पर्य ज्ञानात् स भविष्यति तस्य साक्षात् प्रेरकत्व अभावे अपि. तस्य ईश्वरस्य साक्षात प्रेरकत्व इज नॉट देयर. ईश्वर इज नॉट डूइंग साक्षात. But so the तात्पर्य ज्ञानम in अव्युत्पन्न अध्यापक और अर्थ ज्ञान शून्य पुरुष. ऑल्सो ईश्वरीय तात्पर्य ज्ञानात् बोधो भविष्यति. That तात्पर्य you take. You don't need to take तात्पर्य of this person. So sakshat prerakatva may not be there. Indirect it could be there. Like if I tell someone, go and give this message to another person. So this person may not understand what is the message. All they have to do is just repeat whatever I have said. So then the ichha of that vakta is not sakshat. Paramparaya, my ichha will go. प्रेरकता मात्रेण उच्चारयितृत्व संभवात् इति आशंके परिहरति. प्रेरकता मात्रेण, so the one who is a preraka, through that प्रेरकता मात्रेण उच्चारयितृत्व संभवात्. उच्चारयितृत्व is there. So if I am the preraka, I am the उच्चारयिता. न च ईश्वरीय तात्पर्य ज्ञानात् तत्र शाब्दबोध इति वाच्यम्. ईश्वरीय तात्पर्य ज्ञानात् शाब्दबोध इति न च वाच्यम्. Why? Because there are people who don't accept ईश्वर. ईश्वर अनंगीकर्तुः अपि तद् वाक्यार्थ प्रतिपत्ति दर्शनात्. ईश्वर अनंगीकर्तुः अपि, who are the people? Charvak first, then Sankhya Mimamsaka. So here they have given only Vaidikas. Sankhya Mimamsakader Vaidika Vakyartha Pratyaya Upalabdehe Itya. But Charvak, Buddha, Jaina and other religions who don't accept this Ishvara, Ishvara Ichha, Ishvara Tatparya, how will they still have Shabda Bodha? Then now, so up till now, all Purvapaksha refutation. Tarhi कीदृशं तात्पर्यं भवतां विवक्षितम्. Then in your mata, Purvapakshi is asking Vedanti. Then in your mata, what kind of तात्पर्य is vivakshitam? Iti apekshayam aha uchyate. Uchyate. Tat pratiti janana yogyatvam tatparya. This is the actual definition of the Vedanta. What is tatparya? Tat pratiti janana yogyatvam. So when we say Shadvidlinga tatparya, pratiti janana yogyatvam is tatparya. What does that mean? See in the Tika. Padartha sansarga anubhava janana yogyatvam. Pratiti janana yogyatvam means Padartha samsarga anubhava janana yogyatvam. Between pada, there is samsarga. So padanam, arthanam samsarga, padartha samsarga. Tasya anubhava janana yogyatvam or tesham anubhava janana yogyatvam. Samsarganam. So that vakya, which is nothing but padartha samsarga, together it produces a knowledge, anubhava. Anubhava means praman. So it has the yogyatvam, ability to produce such praman, the samsarga of padartha. Atayeva yat yat samsarga pratiti janana yogyam vakyam prayujyate tat tat param eva vyavaharyata. इत्याह। यद्यत् संसर्ग प्रतीति जनन योग्यम वाक्यम प्रयुज्यते, whatever is the samsarga pratiti janana yogyam. Samsarga pratiti means the jnanam arising from this samsarga. So if there is samsarga pratiti janana yogyam vakyam prayujyate, prayujyate means if it is, if that ucharanam is done, tat param eva vyavaharyate. Means tat para is the vyavahara. Means that is where the tatparya is. दृष्टांत ही gives, गेहे घट इति वाक्यम गेह घट संसर्ग प्रतीति जनन योग्यम. गेहे घट, गेह मीन्स
गृह
House.
गृहे घट इति वाक्यम गेह घट संसर्ग प्रतीति जनन योग्यम. देयर इज संसर्ग बिटवीन गृह एंड घट, गेह एंड घट जनन योग्य. दैट इज तात्पर्य. न तो पट संसर्ग प्रतीति जनन योग्य. There is no sansarga with pata because the discussion is about ghata. So this is where the tatparyam is. Tad vakyam ghata sansarga param natu pata sansarga param iti uchyate. This is simple. See, when they explain with example, example will be simplest. The real case will never be gehe ghata and you say, I don't know what is tatparyam. Gehe ghata, this is as clear as ghata kept in a broad daylight. It is spashta. Tatparya is when you have to do Upanishad Tatparya and how it is, so difficult to arrive at what is the actual message. And then there are these Tasya Tvamasi, Tasmin Tvamasi, Tasmat Tvamasi, Tasmai Tvamasi. All these varieties, they come. So Tatparya Nirnaya difficulty comes there. In these things, the example is very simple. Gehe ghata. Yes, it is not pata. Ukta Tatparya Lakshanasya Anekartha Pada Prayoge Ati Vyaptim Shankate. But in this Tatparya, there are no Aneka Artha. Ghata has only one Artha. Griha has only, Geha has only one Artha. But where Anekarthatvam is there, then Tatparya Lakshana Pada Prayoge Ati Vyapti Shankate. Nanu Saindhava Manaya Ityadi Vakyam Yada Lavana Anayana Pratiti Ichchaya Prayuktam Tada Ashwa Sansarga Pratiti Janane Swarupa Yogyata Sattvat. Purvapakshi gives example. Let's say somebody says Saindhava Manaya. Where is the Tatparyam? How will you know? It has Tat Pratiti Janana Yogyatvam, means Padartha Pratiti Janana Yogyatvam is there. Which Padartha will come to your mind? Purvapakshi is asking. So you say Lavana, Yada Lavana Anayana Pratiti Ichchaya Prayuktam. With the desire to bring Lavana, Ichchaya Prayuktam, Tada Ashwa Sansarga Pratiti Janane Swarupa Yogyata Sattvat. Ashwa Sansarga Pratiti Janana Yogyatvam is also there in this Vakya. Because Saindhava can mean Ashwa also. Sattvat Lavana Paratva Jnana Dashayam Api Ashwadi Samsarga Jnana Pattihi. Lavana Paratva Jnana Dasha in the state of Lavana Paratva Jnana Dashayam Api Ashwadi Samsarga Jnana Pattihi iti chet. Ashwadi Samsarga Jnana also is possible. Iti chet na Siddhanta says. Tika. Shveto Gacchati ityadi vakyam adi padartha. In the same way, Shveto Gacchati. Now Shveto Ashwa, Shveto Shwan, Shvetaha Shwanaha, Shveto श्वेतः पुरुषः, श्वेतो बालकः, एनीथिंग कैन बी देयर. विशेषण प्रदानेन दोषोद्धारात् नित्याः. इसे we will add visheshana, we will add sati in this lakshana. That is what you have taught us, Nayayikas. Whenever lakshana is there, somewhere ativyapti, somewhere avyapti, we will add sati. So he adds this in Moolam. Tad itara pratiti ichchaya अनुचरितत्वस्यापि तात्पर्यं प्रति विशेषणत्वात्. इतर प्रतीति इच्छया अनुचरितत्वम्. तथा च, so now it becomes यद वाक्यम यद प्रतीति जनन स्वरूप योग्यत्वे सति यद अन्य प्रतीति इच्छया नोच्चरितम तद वाक्यम तत् संसर्ग परम इति उच्यते. यद वाक्यम, whatever vakyam is there, yad pratiti jana swarupa yogyatve, it is capable of producing this pratiti, and there is no desire to have the meaning of the other one. Yad anya pratiti ichchaya na uchcharitam, that vakya ucharanam does not have other intention, other motive. So when it is said Saindhava Manaya, the desire is only to communicate the Lavana. And Lavana Pratiti Jana Yogyatva is there. And there is no desire to get the Ashwa. Ashwa Ichchaya na Uchcharitam. Tad Vakyam Tad Sansarga Param. Then it will become Lavana Sansarga Param. This is easy. Visheshan pradane phalitam tatparya lakshanam aha. So after you add the visheshana, this is what is going to be the lakshana. Evam cha Saindhava manaya iti vakyam ashwa pratiti janana yogyam api bhojana prakarane prayuktatvat lavana anya pratiti ichchaya anucharitattvena na ashwa sansarga jnana janakam iti bhava. Saindhava manaya, this vakya is capable of producing ashwa pratiti. But because it is bhojana prakarane prayukta, lavananya pratiti ichchaya anucharitatva. This is not used for lavana. Lavana anya pratiti ichchaya anucharitattvena na ashwa sansarga jnana janakam. It is not ashwa sansarga jnana janakam because that ichcha is not there. So therefore the actual lakshana is given in Tippani number 1. तथा च तत् प्रतीति जनन योग्यत्वे सति तद अन्य मात्र प्रतीति इच्छया अनुचरितत्वम तात्पर्यस्य लक्षणम. First he gave only tat pratiti janana yogyatvam. Then this second part we have to add tad anya matra pratiti ichchaya anucharitatvam. टीका पूर्वोक्त अव्याप्ति दोषग्रस्तत्वम अपि अस्य लक्षणस्य नास्ति. And that अव्याप्ति दोष ग्रस्तत्वम which you said, Purvapakshi said, is not there in this lakshana. So Purvokta Vyapti Lakshanam it is given in the Moolam here. शुकादि वाक्य अव्युत्पन्न उच्चरित वेद वाक्य उच्च वाक्याद उच्च तत् प्रतीति इच्छाया एव अभावेन तद अन्य प्रतीति इच्छया उच्चरितत्व अभावेन लक्षण सत्वात् न अव्याप्ति. In Shukadi Vakya uttered by the parrots, or Avyutpanna Adi, Shuka Adi means such Bala, etc., who doesn't know what he is talking. Avyutpanna Ucharita Veda Vakyadav Cha. And Avyutpanna, person who does not know what is said in the Veda Vakya, some Veda mantras people recite without knowing what is it. Veda Vakya Cha. Many times, these suktams, etc., people recite. In particular, Vishnu Suktam, you hardly know what you are chanting unless somebody explains. Vishnu Varnukam Viryani Pravochan Partivani Vimame Rajagam Siyo Askabhaya Ruttaragam Sadasram Vichakramana Stredhorugayo Vishnor Aratamasi Vishnor. Then Tvamasi Vaishnavamasi Vishnavetva. So in this Vishnu Suktam, Artha is not known. Avyutpanna. Nothing comes to buddhi. The recitation will give you punya. That too, recitation will give you punya if you have janev. That is the niyama according to Vaidikas. If you don't have thread, you recite Vedas, it will not give punya according to Vaidika. Okay, it will give you less punya. In this way, you understand for yourself. So, Shukadi Vakya, Avyutpanna Ucharita Veda Vakyadaucha, Tat Pratiti Ichhaya Eva Abhavana. In them, there is no Pratiti Ichha, some desire to produce the Jnana. Eva Abhavena, Tad Anya Pratiti Ichhaya Ucharitatva Abhavena. And there is no Anya Pratiti Ichha Ucharitatva Abhava. There is Anya Pratiti Ichha Ucharitatva Abhava. Pratiti Ichha Abhava. Anya Pratiti Ichha Ucharitatva Abhava. So Lakshana Sattvat, because the Lakshana now is Tat Pratiti Janana Yogyatvam. Pratiti Janana Yogyatvam is there in Shokavakya as well as in Avyutpanna Vedavakya. And Tad Anya Matra Pratiti Ichha Achaya Anucharitatvam is also there. So Tatparya Lakshana will go there. Avyapti is not there anymore. Is it clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, Swami.
Okay. पूर्वोक्त अव्याप्ति दोषग्रस्तत्वम अपि नास्ति. ननु उभय प्रतीति इच्छया उच्चरिते लवणानि लवण अन्य प्रतीति इच्छया अनुचरितत्व अभावात् अभाव अव्याप्ति ही इति आशंक्य परेह. ननु उभय प्रतीति इच्छया उच्चरिते. उभय प्रतीति इच्छा is there, let us say. लवण अन्य प्रतीति इच्छया अनुचरितत्व अभाव व्याप्ति ही. If let's say both desires are there, both the meanings should come to the mind of the person if someone thinks like that. Pariharati na cha ubhaya pratiti ichhaya ucharite avyapti hi. Even if ubhaya pratiti ichha is there is no avyapti. Sometimes either way the communication could be there. Means even if you take one meaning, it is okay. If you take the other meaning, that is also okay. So Tatparya can be there in both. तद अन्य मात्र प्रतीति इच्छया अनुचरितत्वस्य विवक्षितत्वात्. अन्य मात्र प्रतीति इच्छया अनुचरिता. So if you have ichha for this also and that also, means it has padajanya pada sansarga pratiti janana yogyatvam or padartha sansarga pratiti janana yogyatvam is there for two meanings, let us say. And anya ichhaya uchcharitatvam is not there, lakshana will go. Tad anya matra pratiti ichhaya anucharitattvasya vivakshita. Here main point is what is not said or what is not intended, that meaning should not come. That is tatparya. Tika. Tad anya matra pratiti ichhaya anucharitatvam ubhaya pratiti ichhaya uchcharitatvam eva iti bhava. तद अन्य मात्र प्रतीति इच्छया अनुचरितत्व उभय प्रतीति इच्छया उच्चरितत्व. So अन्य मात्र प्रतीति इच्छा is not there and उभय प्रतीति इच्छया उच्चरितत्व is there. That is enough. तात्पर्य is okay for that. For example, Hari Shabda they gave in Kiranavali. Hari Shabda has so many meanings. Simha, Vanara, Bhagavan Krishna, Indra, etc. So if the intention is to give both of, let's say, Vanara also and Simha also. So Harir Agachati or Harir Agamishyati. You can give either of them and it will be okay. Tad anya yavat pratiti ichhaya anucharitatvam iti arthasya tadanim vivakshitattvat. Tad anya yavat pratiti ichhaya anucharitatvam. Tad anya, anything other than the intended meaning, tatparya, anya yavat pratiti ichhaya anucharitatvam. All the other meanings, with those ichha ucharanam is not done. That is enough. Tadanim vivakshitattvat. ननु उक्त प्रतीति जनन योग्यतायाः किम अवच्छेदकम्. उक्त प्रतीति जनन योग्यता इस पदार्थ प्रतिजनन प्रजनन योग्यतायाः what is the avachedaka? तद प्रतीति इच्छया उच्चरितत्वम् इति चेत् प्रतीति इच्छया उच्चरितत्वम् इति चेत् न. इन मूलम उक्त प्रतीति मात्र जनन योग्यतायाः अवच्छेदिका शक्तिः. उक्त प्रतीति मात्र जनन योग्यतायाश्च अवच्छेदिका इस शक्ति. प्रतीति मात्र जनन योग्यता में तात्पर्य, तात्पर्यस्य अवच्छेदिका, तात्पर्य ज्ञानस्य अवच्छेदिका इस शक्ति. टीका अव्युत्पन्न उच्चरित वेदवाक्यादा अवव्याप्तेः इति आशंक्यः। अव्युत्पन्न उच्चरित वेदवाक्यादौ अव्याप्ति. Somebody says in avyutpanna purusha, if he does vedavakya ucharana, there is avyapti, it is said no. Pratiti matra janana yoga. If that vakya has pratiti janana matra yogyata, that is the avachedika, that is shakti. It is there. So even if that bala does not know, or that avyutpanna purusha does not know what he is talking, if you know, that is enough. Because it has, those words have the ability to produce knowledge. Like many times, what happens, some Westerners, let us say, they go to some Mahatma. That Mahatma does not know English. He will speak in some broken English here, there. But that Westerner, if they are well read, they understand what is the meaning said. This Paul Brunton and Chadwick, all these people who went to Ramana Maharshi Ji, how did they get the understanding? Means the intention is understood. I say, oh, this is what he is saying. अव्युत्पन्न उच्चरित वेदवाक्य न च शक्ति कल्पने गौरवम शक्यम सर्वत्र तस्या एव अस्मिन् मते कृप्तत्वादित्या. शक्ति कल्पने गौरवम न शक्यम शंक्यम. In Shakti Kalpana there is Gaurava. No. Why? Because in our mata it is Klupta, means it is Siddha. Asmakam tu mate sarvatra karanatayaha shaktireva avachedakatvat na kopi dosha. In our mata, Vedanta mata, sarvatra karanatayaha shaktihe eva avacheda. Shakti is avachedika for the Karana. Karana for Jnana Janakatva. एवं तात्पर्यस्य तत्प्रतीति जनकत्व रूपस्य शाब्द ज्ञान जनकत्वे सिद्धे चतुर्थ वर्णके तात्पर्यस्य शाब्द ज्ञान हेतुत्व निराकरण वाक्यम तत्प्रतीति इच्छया उच्चरितत्व रूप तात्पर्य निराकरण परम अन्यथा तात्पर्य निश्चय फलक वेदांत विचार वैयर्थ्य प्रसंगात. दिस इज वन वाक्य. Second number tippani, just note Chaturtha Varnaka means Tattu Samanvayat iti Sutrasya Shankaracharya Krita Bhashya Upari Ya Padma Padacharya Vyakhya Tad Upari Yad Vivaranam Tatra. Tattu Samanvayat, in this sutra, Shankaracharya Krita Bhashya, on that Padma Padacharyaji's Vyakhya is there. What is that Vyakhya called?
Vivarana.
Panchapadika.
Panchapadika.
Tad upari Vivarana. On that there is Vivarana. On Panchapadika. In that Vivarana, there are 9 Varnakas total. So here Chaturtha Varnake. Chaturtha Varnaka is there for the discussion. See Tika a little bit. तथा च यथा वन्यादिनिष्ठ दाहादि जनकता अवच्छेदिका शक्ति ही एव, और वन्यादिनिष्ठ दाहादि जनक इज ए शक्ति, दैट शक्ति प्रोड्यूसेस दाह एंड इट इज वन्यनिष्ठ। तथा तात्पर्यनिष्ठ शाब्द जनकता अवच्छेदिका शक्ति ही एव, इन द सेम वे तात्पर्यनिष्ठ शाब्द जनकता अवच्छेदिका शक्ति एव न कोपि विरोध, इन दिस वे देयर इज नो विरोध। ननु तात्पर्यस्य शाब्द ज्ञान हेतुत्वे तन्निरास पर विवरण वाक्य विरोध, इफ तात्पर्य है शाब्द ज्ञान हेतुत्वे, then in विवरण वाक्य this is negated. In the मूलकार टीकाकार, they both are very familiar with this part. तन्निरास पर विवरण वाक्य विरोध इति आशंक्य उक्तरीत्या तात्पर्य ज्ञानस्य शाब्द ज्ञान हेतुत्व सिद्धौ, तात्पर्य ज्ञान इस शाब्द ज्ञान हेतुत्व सिद्धौ तद्वाक्यम अन्यथा व्याख्येयम, that विवरण वाक्य should be अन्यथा व्याख्येयम। Siddhanti is explaining this way, that Purvapakshi said, if you say Tatparyasya Shabda Jnana Hetu, then in Vivarana Vakya there is a Vakya which has a Virodha with this understanding. So Siddhanti said that Vakya should be understood in a different way, means its Vyakya should be done in a different way. What is the different way? That is Eva. 1 number Tippani, let us see that first. शाब्द बोध रूप कार्ये आकांक्षादिवत, आकांक्षा योग्यता सन्निधि एंड तात्पर्य। सो योग्यता अपि कारणत्वे निर्णीते कारणता अवच्छेदक विधया योग्यत्वात् उपस्थितत्वाच्च तत्प्रतीति इच्छया उच्चरितत्वस्य स्वीकर्तव्यत्वे घट्टकुट्टी प्रभात न्यायापात इति आशंकां हृदि निधाय उत्तरयति। उक्त शाब्द बोध इस कार्य, शाब्द बोध रूप कार्य, आकांक्षा योग्यता, जस्ट लाइक आकांक्षा इज देयर, योग्यता इज आल्सो देयर। सो कारणता अवच्छेदिक विधया योग्यता योग्यत्वात् उपस्थितत्वाच्च, योग्यता इज आल्सो योग्य एंड उपस्थित, तत्प्रतीति इच्छया उच्चरितत्वस्य स्वीकर्तव्यत्वे, if you accept that also yogyata should be there and it is upasthiti, it has to be there in the sannidhi. So then Ghattakutti Prabhata Nyaya Pataha. I will only explain Ghattakutti Prabhata Nyaya now. The rest of the part we will see the connection in the following session. What is Ghattakutti Prabhata Nyaya? In the forest, let us say somebody was going and he came across a toll booth in the forest. So obviously he wanted to save the toll. He didn't want to give the money. So what he did, instead of going to the toll booth, from far when you see the toll, he went some other way. And by then there was sunset. Then he went here, there in the forest whole night to escape from the toll booth. In the morning, he came right there, near the toll booth again. This is called Ghattakutti Prabhata. Prabhata means early morning. In the early morning, again you are facing the same Ghattakutti in the toll booth. In other words, you are trying to avoid something. You are doing 1,000 things. You end up there only. So your Purvapakshi saying you are trying to avoid this, that in the Lakshana. Everything has come back. That is the idea. More we will see in the following session. We'll complete this Tippani 1 also then, and this Tattu Samanvayat Chaturtha Varanaka, etc. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.